top points that you should know why market rallied by 800 points. First thing that happened, April 6th, late, Trump said that we will destroy the entire civilization. This was an extreme threat from US to Iran, that we will destroy entire Iran's civilization. Immediate next day, April 7th, early on April 7th, he softened his tone and he said that we may be ready for deal negotiation. Then 7th April, during the daytime, he said that, okay, let's try and go for UN resolution. So what happened was USA and Bahrain pushed for UN resolution. Okay, they pushed for the UN resolution, agreed. What was the outcome? 11 countries supported, 2 countries abstained, and 2 countries, Russia and China, they used their veto power. Whenever a veto power is used, it's as good as whatever is proposed in the UN, that stands cancelled. Okay. In short, what happened was that had this been accepted at UN, it would have been like a green signal to USA that whatever you are doing is absolutely okay. Entire United Nations is with you. You can go ahead and do whatever you want. And what he had proposed is that we would want the Strait of Hormuz to be opened, passage of oil tankers through that safely, this, that. But for that, he was willing to use military force. And immediate previous day, he had said we would also go to the extent of destroying civilization. So good that this was not passed at the UN. But then what happened was that maybe what he tried to do backfired, and he was forced to go ahead for some sort of diplomatic negotiation. And that is when April 7th at night, he announced truce. Truce has been announced for 2 weeks, but the overall conditions that Iran has kept for the truce are something which are beyond, something which US may not say yes to. Just 2-3 important points. They have said that US has to lift all primary, secondary sanctions on Iran. Iran will continue the control on Strait of Hormuz. US has to withdraw all the military from Middle East. They will end attacks on Iran and its allies, release whatever Iranian assets are frozen, UN Security Council resolution for making any deal binding. And in Farsi language, they have mentioned that US will accept the enrichment for their nuclear program, but this line is missing in the English version. So this was a quick wrap up of what happened, why Nifty rallied 800 points plus today. But all in all, as I mentioned, that I personally believe that this rally may not sustain for reasons that we discussed today.